Good morning, students. In today's class, we are going to continue with exercise 2.7, question number 3. In our last class or in our last video, I have explained you how to divide a decimal number by a whole number, and I have also explained you that how to divide a decimal number by 10. हमने अपने लास्ट सेशन में ये सीखा था कि जब हम किसी डेसिमल नंबर को 10 से डिवाइड करते हैं, व्हेन वी डिवाइड अ डेसिमल नंबर बाय 10, देन द डेसिमल पॉइंट विल बी शिफ्टिंग वन स्टेप टुवर्ड्स लेफ्ट साइड. In the same way, today we will learn how to divide a decimal number by 100. So when we divide a decimal number by 100, decimal point shifts 2 steps towards left. Let us see 2.7 divided by 100. Since 100 has 2 zeros, so decimal point will be shifting 2 steps towards left. Now 2.7, increase 1 zero on the left side of 2, and the decimal point will be shifting 2 steps towards left. So your answer is 0.027. Similarly, 0.3 divided by 100, again increase 1 zero on the left side of 0, and decimal point will be shifted 2 steps back. So what is your answer? 0.003. 0.78 divided by 100, decimal will be shifting 2 steps back, so increase 1 zero, and your answer is 0.0078. By using the same process, shift decimal before 32. What is your answer? 4.326. Similarly, 23.6 divided by 100, shift decimal 2 steps back. Your answer is 0.236. 98.53 divided by 100, decimal will move 2 step back, and your answer is 0.9853. I hope you got this method. Now let us come to divide the decimal number by 1000. 1000 में कितने जीरो होते हैं? There are 3 zeros in 1000, so decimal point will be shifting 3 steps towards left. Let us see. 7.9 divided by 1000. So increase 2 zero at the back of 7, and the decimal will shift 3 steps back. So what is the answer? 0.0079. Continue with the same process. Increase 1 zero and shift it 3 steps back. 0.0263. Similarly, one more zero and shift it back. It is 0.03853. I hope you got this method. Same method. Decimal point will be shifting 3 steps back. 0.1289. 0.5 divided by 1000. Increase 2 more zero. Because आपको 3 स्टेप पीछे जाना है, वापस ले आइए डेसिमल को 3 स्टेप पीछे. व्हाट इज योर आंसर? 0.0005. सो व्हेन यू डिवाइड अ नंबर, डेसिमल नंबर बाय 100, बाय 1000, बाय 10, आपको डायरेक्ट आंसर लिखना है. नाउ लेट अस कम टू द लास्ट क्वेश्चन, second last question of the exercise, that is question number 5. Here we will learn how to divide a number by a decimal number. In question 1, children, if you remember, in question number 1 we have learned how to divide a decimal number by a whole number. Today we will learn how to divide a decimal number or a whole number by another decimal number. So let us see. 7 division 3.5. Now 3.5 is a divisor, and you cannot divide 7 by 3.5 जब तक कि आप 3.5 का डेसिमल हटा नहीं देंगे. So how will we do this? We could write it as 7 upon 3.5. हम 7 division 3.5 को 7 upon 3.5 लिख सकते हैं. Yes. Now you can see 3.5 is having one decimal place. So if I want to remove its decimal place, I need to multiply 3.5 by 10. Similarly, at the same time, 7 is also going to be multiplied by 10. So when I multiply both of these numbers by 10, 7 into 10 becomes 70 and 3.5 multiplied by 10 become 35. आप जानते हैं कि whenever we multiply a decimal number by 10, decimal point एक step आगे चला जाता है towards right. So 70 upon 35 and 70 is exactly divisible by 35. Answer is 2. Let us come to second part. 36 divided by 0.2. We can write 36 upon 0.2. Now 0.2 is having one decimal place, so we need to multiply 0.2 by 10 to remove its decimal. At the same time, we will have to multiply 36 also by 10. So the 36 multiplied by 10 become 360 and 0.2 multiplied by 10 become 2. So when you divide 360 by 2, you will get 180 as your answer. Now let us come to third part. 3.25 divided by 0.5. Now in this question, both the numbers are the decimal numbers. लेकिन आपको decimal हटाने की ज़रूरत किससे है? Divisor से. And divisor is having only one decimal place. 0.5 is having only one decimal place. So we need to multiply 0.5 by 10. At the same time, 3.25 will also be going to be multiplied by 10. Now when you multiply 3.25 by 10, decimal एक step आगे जाएगा and the number become 32.5 and 0.5 by 10 become 5. Now अब ये question आपका first question के जैसा बन गया. Divide 325 by 5, you will get 65. अब आप देखिए 32.5 has only one decimal place, so there should be only one decimal place in the answer part. Same as we have done in question number 1. 30.94 divided by 0.7. So 30.94 upon 0.7. 0.7 is going to be multiplied by 10 to remove its decimal. At the same time, the numerator is also going to be multiplied by 10. So the number becomes 309.4 divided by 7. Let us divide 3094 by 7. You will get 442. अब आप देखिए 309.4 में एक डेसिमल प्लेस है तो आंसर में भी वन डेसिमल प्लेस होगा एंड योर आंसर इज 44.2. सेम थिंग इज फॉर दिस फिफ्थ पार्ट. 0.5 divided by 0.25. So let us write 0.25 is going to be multiplied by 100. At the same time 0.5 is also going to be multiplied by 100. So you will get 50 upon 25. And 50 is divisible by 25, so your answer is 2. I hope you got this method. By the same way, you can do 6th and 7th part. Now, let us come to question number 6. That is the last question of the exercise. In question number 6, which is a word problem, a car covers a distance of 2.4 liter in 2.4 liter of petrol, that is 43.2 kilometer. And the question is how much the car will cover in 1 liter of petrol. So let us write its statement. Distance covered in 2.4 liter of petrol, that is 43.2 kilometer. So how much distance covered in 1 liter of petrol? It's a question of division. 43.2 divided by 2.4. Now 43.2 division 2.4 could be written as 43.2 upon 2.4. अब आपको 2.4 का decimal हटाना है, so multiply both the numbers by 10. So it becomes 432 upon 24. 432 is exactly divisible by 24 and your answer is 18 kilometer. I hope you got this. Complete your exercise. Thank you.